Riu igoti niririkitie kuheana court order kana kurekereria court order na gwitikiria mwiri wa Jeff guthikurio muthenya wa ira. Inspector General Koome niarakorirwo akiuga ati they are proceeding to court to seek for the court order for Jeff's body exhumation. Na riu muthenya wa mothi, just now it has been confirmed ati the court order is out na mwiri wa Jeff ni uguthikurio. Igoti rigitikiria mwiri wa Jeff gukorwo ugithikurio, na Mwangi Muthiora no akorwo akiumbura ndeto ici, na oho akiuga ati he has just spoken to Mama Jeff na it is quite painful for her gukorwo agithikuria mwana wake Jeff, but agakiuga ati she knows that it is all for Jeff's justice, na koguo despite being in tears, despite it being painful, ni agwitikira Jeff akorwo agithikurio na Mwangi Muthiora akorwo akirekereria ndumĩrĩri ino. Oho akiumbura ndeto ingĩ agikiuga ati breaking: court gives DCI orders to exhume the body of Jeff Mwathi. Thank you Wakili Kimani Wakema and all other senior counsels involved in this matter. Wakili Steve Ogola, I have no words for you. LSK will take briefs for the family. You are such a gem. Human Rights Watch has reached out and the matter is now solidly in good hands. I've talked with Jeff's mom, and though she is in tears, she is happy you are doing this for her son. I hope to meet her soon. I've never met anyone in that family. Ari Ndûmîrîri Mwangi Muthiora akorwo akirekereria agiconfirm ati the court order is out na DCI ni marikitie kuheo rutha kana the go ahead ya guthikuria mwiri wa Jeff as they go on with the investigation. Na agakiuga ati ni akorwo akiaraniria na mami wa Jeff na she may be in tears but she is glad that this is all for her son Jeff, na Jeff no arathie ona mbere gukorwo akiona kihoto giake. Even though investigation is still ongoing, she is happy that they are doing this for her son. Despite it being painful, she is happy that Jeff nĩegũkorwo akiona kihoto giake, whatever it takes. Na Mwangi Muthiora akorwo akiumbura ndeto ici through his social media pages, na of course ni ndeto ciakiamũkĩrwo wega. Although cikiri na ruo, it's a painful thing Jeff gukorwo agithikurio, but justice for Jeff ni kuonekana. Levi Knowles akiuga exhuming is painful but Jeff must get justice. Justice for Jeff. Pretty Kate onake akiuga wow, now we are going somewhere. Nilikuwa nimeanza kuboeka. Onake Langat Matthew akiuga we can see light to justice. God is in control. He will soon confuse the murderers and collaborators to confess their evil acts. Onake Ngendo Ngigi akiuga I wish the mom all the best as she relieves this grief and that sad moment. Seeing your son being exhumed and still no life in it is disheartening. But since we are chasing justice for Jeff, I believe even her, she will be strong until the end. Wow, ari ndũmĩrĩri cia kũũmĩrĩria mami wa Jeff, na oho magĩkena kuona ati nao igoti nĩ arĩkia kũrekereria court order ya gũthikuria mwĩrĩ wa Jeff, na magĩkiuga at least now we are headed somewhere. Na ndũgakĩriganĩrwo gũsubscribe for the latest and trending Kikuyu celebrity news. Never miss an update. Subscribe now.